guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I am going to talk to you about sea algae face mask जो आपके पोर्स से सारे टॉक्सिन्स को बाहर निकलता है। और क्योंकि पोर्स से सारे टॉक्सिन्स बाहर निकल जाएगा इसीलिए ऑटोमेटिकली योर फेस विल लुक मोर ब्राइटर. By brighter I am not talking about fairness, I am talking about a healthy glow. By that your face will look more bright and radiant. And yes, this also helps to tighten your pores. अगर आप पार्लर रेगुलरली जाते हो तो आपको पता होगा जो सी एल्गी या सी विद एल्गी का ट्रीटमेंट पार्लर में आप लेने जाओगे तो ये 1500 से 2000 वन टाइम सेटिंग के लिए आपका कॉस्ट लगेगा. ऊपर से आपको घंटों सोए रहना पड़ेगा या बैठे रहना पड़ेगा टू गेट दिस ट्रीटमेंट डन बाय द पार्लर पीपल. पर घर पे बैठे लाइक ईच टाइम यू हैव टू जस्ट गिव 10 मिनट्स, लाइक 10 मिनट्स ईच टाइम. आप हफ्ते में 2 बार करोगे. आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू like apply this twice a week. So yeah, 20 minutes in total and you will get a bright and healthy glowing skin. This is Prolixer Perfect Skin Detoxifying Sea Algae Mask. Glass jar container, of course. This is glass, so it's heavy and it's quite sturdy. So this comes with this brush applicator ताकि आपके you don't use your fingers to apply it. So yeah, this is very helpful. And you can use this product multiple number of times. एक या 2 बार के लिए नहीं, multiple number of times you can use this. I really like the consistency of the product. Now let's just move on to the demo. So with the help of the applicator brush, apply onto your clean face. Spread the product with the help of this applicator all over your face and your neck area as well. As I'm applying the product, let me get you through the ingredients. Of course, this is sea algae mask, so this contains seaweed algae that helps to detoxify your pores. This also contains vitamin C. Now, we all know the benefits of vitamin C, right? It basically helps to give our skin that glow, boost of glow. This also contains activated charcoal, also contains hyaluronic acid. We know the importance of it. That basically helps to moisturize and hydrate our skin. This also contains another ingredient that is diatomaceous earth that helps to tighten your pores. So when you are applying this product on your skin, because this contains diatomaceous earth, मतलब जो clay होता है basically. So clay जब आप use करते हो, आप अगर hot and humid country में रहते हो like India, and specifically I live in Kolkata, it's very hot and very humid, तो ज़्यादा dry हो जाता है लगाते टाइम. So if your mask is getting dry when you are applying it onto your face, you can definitely add few drops of rose water. Once this entire product sits on your skin for 10 minutes and your skin absorbs all the goodness from this product, then you can wash off your face with water, plain water. I washed my face. Now you can see the difference like before and after. Face is definitely looking more glowing and bright and of course looking fresh. This product is cruelty free, paraben free and does not contain any harmful chemicals. This product claims that this is suitable for every skin types and I have a sensitive skin, especially in the summers. मैंने इसको apply किया है 3 times और अभी तक मेरे फेस पे कोई rashes इसकी वजह से नहीं आया है. I will leave the purchase link as well as all the handles down in the description box at Facebook and Instagram. If you want to check them out, you can check them out and you can buy the product from their own website and security is available in their website. So घर बैठे पहले आप product लो उसके बाद पैसे दो. Yeah, that's all in today's video and I will meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye.